in the back of the net thereafter.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that favour.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
Laid down the flank.
You can never be sure the ball is in the space, as long as the space left behind is filled.
Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone. Looks like he picked up a bit of a knock from that challenge. Certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. He's resisted the temptation to go to his pocket, it's just a stern lecture. And here's Dybala. Steve, and he shoots! And another try! In he goes again! Just losing! They are losing! They are tearing the opposition apart here. Simply breathtaking stuff. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
His instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so he took the rest and followed up. I think it's a really sharp play, it was well read, and it was a little quicker than everybody else.
All won cleanly.
This is Dybala. Oh, lovely.
And Dybala! Oh no, a quite unbelievable miss. Felt that, hasn't he? The ball is loose and the chase is on.
It's Gimaras.
Well, that looks a foul. Yes, the referee's given it. Well, that's a booking. Always looked in.
Well, sometimes a loose foul can trigger a completely different spell of play, and it makes even less sense.
Rafinha. Challenge just a bit on the third side. Little doubt, that is a foul. No surprise, that's a booking.
Augusto.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. And he has shown him a yellow card. Carlos Augusto. Ball is over the line.
Robust defending.
Montiel is the guilty party there. And the referee has shown him a yellow card.
Look, we can't say that's a surprise, Peter. We knew what the consequences were. We really did.
Now it's Joel Pedro. Pepe gets into a good position. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Argentina just a thrill to witness here. Quick, slick and such fun. You really would fear for anyone playing up against them right now.
I'd just like to read out
Dybala
our
quoted